All right, let's go ahead and get started with step 1 with our writing portfolio number 3. The first thing that we need to do is put our name on our packet. This is incredibly important because you will be working in this packet every day coming up, and you do not want to lose your packet or have someone else take your packet that has your work in it. Please also add which class period you are in. I'm putting 2, but you might have a different class period. Now, let's go ahead and turn the page and see what our expectations are for this assignment. The first thing that I need to do is look at and analyze the prompt. First, I'm going to read it. Then, I will annotate it and look at the specifics of what I need to do. And it says, which media, text or film, was the most effective in conveying the theme of the Watsons, or in conveying the impact of the historical events surrounding the novel? Wow, that's a really complicated question. So let me think if I can break this down. It says which media, so movie the book or the film. Okay, so book or film, book or movie, was the most effective. Let's think of a synonym for this word, most effective. Maybe did the best job in conveying, conveying is like showing the theme, which we know is a moral or a lesson, the lesson of the Watsons. And I know what Watsons is because that's the book we just read. Or in conveying, oh, there's that word again, showing the impact, the impact. I think impact is like the difference it made or like the effect it had. So I'll put effect of the historical events. So I think when I see historical events, I'm thinking of segregation and the bombing surrounding the novel. All right. So I'm clearly not writing a narrative response. I'm thinking about one of these two prompts. I have 2 choices. I'm going to think of these 2 choices and I will put them in my own words. So choice number 1 and choice number 2. Go ahead and think about these 2 choices and put them into your own words. Do you think that you would be writing about the first question or the second question? Take some time right now to put these into your own words. Pause the video and resume when you'd like to check your answer to see if it's similar to mine. So I ended up putting for number 1, was the book or movie better at showing the lessons in Watsons? Then for number 2, I put, was the book or movie better at showing the historical events of 1963? I want you to think about these 2 questions and decide which one are you going to write your essay about. Put a star next to the essay you will write about. So over here, you might choose to put a star next to question number 1, or you might put a star next to question number 2. When you've decided which prompt you are going to respond to, you are ready to move on to the next section to brainstorm your ideas.